We've covered a lot, and I'm sure you have so much to think about already. That's a good thing. It means you've started collecting data and you're doing your own personal analysis. That's what it's all about. You've built a great base already. As this course continues, your knowledge and data analysis skills will continue to grow. Once you've established a solid foundation, you'll apply what you've learned to the rest of the program. The data analysis process will help provide a framework for everything you do. Soon, you'll take your first graded assessment. It's a great way to check your understanding of the concepts and build confidence in your knowledge. Everyone learns at different speeds, so take your time, get familiar with the concepts. As soon as you feel ready, you can go ahead and get started. Keep in mind, if at any point you're not sure about a question, you can always review the videos and readings to remind yourself of the answer. We're all about open book tests here. Once you've passed, you'll be all set to move on. You've got this. Before you know it, you'll be done with all of the courses and you'll be ready to create your own case study. Then, if it's what you want to do, you'll start your job search equipped with the tools and skills that will wow any company you talk to. I can't wait to see where you go with data analytics. For now though, give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done. See you soon.